The why AI debate is over. Adoption is expected. Outcomes are the differentiator. For enterprises, prompt engineering isn't clever wording in a chat box. It's an operating model. Tie prompts to P&L levers. Start with the KPI, fill rate, plan completeness, cycle time, and design backward. Treat prompts as data contracts. Return structured outputs your systems can execute. No hand typing, no ambiguity. Run on a control plane built for sovereignty. Model-agnostic, auditable, with automated retraining and governance from day one. At Kloud9, we build agentic AI that works where your people work. Connected to the tools they already use. Measured by the KPIs you actually run. It starts with imperative 1. Tie every prompt to a business KPI. Medical practitioners were stuck searching long product catalogs. Related items were missed. No tight link to the practice management system meant slow workflows and incomplete plans. We vectorized the product catalog and added inflow prompts to the exam screen, a real-time inferencing API plugged into the practice management system. This allowed for more than 50% reduction in effort for medical practitioners, fuller treatment plans, higher prescription accuracy, stronger client trust, and a measurable lift in visit revenue. Next, imperative 2. Treat prompts as data contracts, not copy. HR and support teams spent too much time on repetitive employee questions, slowing the business and raising costs. We built an AI assistant trained on internal policies, training, and procedures, then connected it to ERP, finance, planning tools, HR systems, and the help desk. Responses came back as schema. Teams gained upwards of 70% productivity improvement across HR and support, faster resolutions, and time returned to higher value work with a better employee experience. And lastly, imperative 3, engineer for scale and sovereignty. This enterprise B2B Kloud9 customer was experiencing exploding multimodal data, vendor lock-in risk, and a fast-moving LLM ecosystem. We built a platform-independent agentic AI control plane using a multi-component client server, MCP architecture integrated tools, data, and agents across operating companies. Vectorized knowledge bases carried metadata and lineage for auditability, and automated retraining kept RAG fresh with minimal lift. We were able to accelerate enterprise rollout, audit-ready, explainable answers with full document lineage, and reduced manual maintenance. Lower OPEX without vendor lock-in. This is prompt engineering for enterprises, designed for outcomes. Every prompt tied to a KPI you can measure. Deliver structure. Contract-like outputs that flow straight into your systems. Build for sovereignty. Model-agnostic, traceable, retrainable, so pilots become scaled programs. It only works when the data foundation does. That's why we modernize pipelines, standardize access, and instrument data quality. Agents stay reliable, and leaders stay confident. The standard is simple. Measure AI by how it moves your KPIs. Kloud9 connects models, data, and governance into a control plane for outcomes, built to your stack with the traceability you can trust. If you're ready to operationalize AI, let's turn predictions into ROI.